Nerf has finally brought Rival Blasters back. Let's go. Rival is my favorite Nerf lineup, and they don't make them nearly as often as they used to, but we have 3 new blasters here that I'm very excited for. The Nerf Rival Challenger, the Mirage Special Deadpool Blaster as well. You guys are gonna wanna stick around to the end of the video when we test all of these blasters out in a Nerf war. But right now, let's open them all up. Let's spend the next couple minutes opening this up, read the manual together. Just kidding. Let's just slap this guy open. All right, look at this. This is a sweet looking blaster that this banana clip takes 6 AA's to power it up. Lots of rails, 1 on each side and on the top. Make it look ridiculous. Oh, and it can have a barrel attachment. That's sweet. Are you joking me? Did Nerf change the front barrel attachments? The standard ones don't even fit. What? Well, that's ridiculous. Maybe I'm just a Nerf noob alert here. I don't know, but for some reason, this doesn't match the standard one. So are they coming up with the new barrels soon or something? I don't know what's going on. Okay, the Challenger MXXIV 1200 comes with 18 Accu rounds. These are these blue special round Rival rounds. Apparently, they are very accurate. Honestly, over the years, I've never noticed that they're any different than the regular ones, but. Motorized semi-blasting, most accurate Rival rounds. Advanced precision battling with improved aerodynamic design and dimple pattern. Whoa. A carabiner clip, that's this guy in the back. That's actually pretty nice. Trigger lock, this guy right here. 12 rounds, removable magazine, and the Rev trigger, 14 plus. Okay, rev this guy up. You go through those 12 rounds quicker than expected. Good to have a battery-powered Rival Blaster. I feel like they haven't made one in a long while. This is a sweet blaster. I'm very excited about this. We're gonna have to dual wield these in an upcoming gun game. That would be sick. And the banana mag is just, it looks awesome. It's hilarious. If you compare it to the other Accu series blasters here, which we can go over in a second, none of them are battery powered. It's nice to have a battery powered blaster back, like the Perseus and the Prometheus, 2 of my all-time favorite Nerf blasters. Nerf, come on, you gotta make blasters like these again, because these are so much fun and absolutely ridiculous. Okay, now we gotta clean Rival rounds up all over the floor. Awesome. And that right there is why Rival is one of my favorite series of all time. Played a lot of paintball growing up, so it's the closest thing to paintball. Generally, it's for an older audience like myself.
Here's the entire Rival setup we got, all the way from there, all the way to over here. By far the best series and one of the best sections of the Nerf studio wall. All right, guys, look at all these other blasters we have here for future videos. Let me know which one you are the most excited for. Comment down below. We got the Nerf Pro. We got Fortnite blasters, zombie blasters, gel blasters. Get excited for all those, boys. Coming soon. Ooh, look at this little battle arena. You ready, Kevin?
Yeah, let's go.
Let me know how much better you think I am than Kevin in the comments. What? The challenger's got 12 shots. 2 lives each?
2 lives.
2 lives. We'll start with 2 lives. You ready?
No blind shooting and guns count.
Finger off the trigger. You ready? Oh my god, this gun looks so sweet. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah?
Yeah, you did. You hit this knuckle and then you hit this arm.
Oh, let's go. That was sweet. Let's go for the reload. I feel like I got hit here, but I feel like it bounced off the wall, and we didn't discuss that.
I'm pretty sure I didn't hit you.
Fully loaded. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you hit the GoPro. Nice shot. Did I get you?
Dang it!
Dude, I think you might have even hit the freaking screen. That was such a clean shot.
Good match. Like literally went poof poof. I'm like, I don't even get a second chance.
These are sweet.
Aha! Mirage XXIV 800 comes with 10 Accu rounds, 8 round magazine, and oh, We have a dart in there from the other day stuff. 2 ways to load, either breech load from the top or magazine fed from the bottom. I actually didn't know that, that's sweet. Again, the most accurate rival rounds, large front sight, priming slide, 5 tactical rails. Ooh, even more on this one. Let's open her up. All right, man, this is cool. Man, I wish this one was battery powered as well, but you just prime it from the back. Ooh, that feels really good. Little like SMG. Oh! Oh, it's slam fire too, cool. These new rails that they added are, compared to the old one, like this, the new look is, just compare these. This one is obviously way cooler. Way more rails and these carabiner clips and everything. This is sweet. Again, it has the front barrel attachment, which apparently it's not even usable, I guess. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. And then, now you can double load it. You can continue to load it from the top here. Let's, okay, it's a little weird to load when there's already a round in there, which is kind of annoying. Because now I'm probably gonna shoot 2 at once. Oh, now I've got the round jammed in there. Okay, maybe this doesn't work as well as it should, or maybe I did something wrong. You just gotta be careful that you don't actually push the round on the top to the front or the back, because then it's gonna get 2 rounds stuck in there and then just might have the issue that I just had. This is a good blaster. Let's throw a scope on here. Always gotta make it ridiculous. There we go. Much better. Oh, these new Rival Blasters are awesome. Let's try this guy in a Nerf war.
All right, I got the Mirage. So because I beat you in the last one, you get the upgrade, you get the Challenger, I get the Mirage. I can reload from the top if I need to. So I've only got 8 shots, but I can reload easier on the top than you can.
Okay, well, that knife also.
Oh yeah, and if I melee you, I kill you instantly.
Okay, I'll give it to you because I do have a.
Because you have the better gun. Because you can shoot me twice quicker than I can freaking even pump. So.
Well, but let's switch sides. I feel like I'm lopsided right now. I got no.
All right, let's switch sides.
Oh wow, it's so much different. Whoa, no adjusting now.
Okay, you ready? Ready? Hand off the trigger. Mine's not primed. You ready? Oh yeah, we do the magazine. I like that. 2, 1, go. Oh, that was right by your head. Oh, you son of a gun.
Did I get you?
Nope. Yeah, you did get me.
No, I didn't do that. No.
I realized you. I don't know. I feel like you might have shot me at the same time.
I think I only got you once though.
I feel like as I hit you, you shot me.
But just once.
But you hit me back there.
Oh, I did hit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're done.
All right, let's rematch.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, this reloading from the top is flawed.
I actually really like this one, especially if like Al the Geek like customized it with all these little mechanics.
Ooh, that'd be sweet. 2, 1, go.
Where are you hiding, buddy?
You might have got me there. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay, got me. Where are you? Oh, there you go. My gun jammed. Oh yeah, I was trying not to tell you that. I was trying to be quiet.
I thought, I'm like, he's not poking his head or anything. I'm like, something's wrong.
That jammed, man. Dang.
Good hit though. Good one.
Good. The Challenger definitely beats the Mirage. This guy jammed and the reloading from the top is not as cool. All right, last one. All right, guys, next up we got the Nerf Deadpool Blaster. Comes with 16 high impact rounds. Okay, there we go. This is basically just the older Nerf Rival Takedown reskinned. You can see how similar they are. Basically, completely identical as far as I am aware. Any differences? Oh, no, they're the same. They're the exact same. All right, you just prime it from the bottom here and you reload it from the top. Whoop, accidentally had 2 jammed in there. Other rounds and we just put them in the top. And you're good to go again. So this is a fun blaster. Let's try it in a Nerf war. You want that side?
Yep.
2, 1, go.
Okay, you gotta reload.
You got me. You got me. You got me.
That's the one I got.
So you already shot me once, right?
Yeah.
Man, mine does not fire as far as yours. The Deadpool one sucks.
Does it?
Okay, well, let's try this. Let's try this. Mine are like lobbing down towards you. I could see your feet and I was like missing shots. Let's test the distance on this. Let me fire first. Now your turn. Now your turn. Now your turn. Look at. Look at. Yours is way over there. Mine's right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fire together. Rather 3, 2, 1, fire.
Yeah.
That was about the same.
Okay, on fire.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, fire. That was about the same. Okay, what the heck happened? I'm telling you, man, they were lobbing. Let's do one final rematch with switch sides. 2, 1, go.
Oh, you got it.
Yes. Oh, nice shot.
You're over there.
Nothing. Oh. Did I get you?
I got you.
Yeah, we traded. No way. That was like a perfect tie.
That was the great.
I hope that caught it on camera, the double jump. That was nice, man.
So I had one in my hand.
Nice.
And I loaded it in between. And I was like, okay, I got one.
Nice. I can't believe you just saved the day with a freaking. We both jump and you freaking pulled the reload off. That was nice. Good games. Good games.
That was a great finish. Okay.
Good games.
Okay, here I'll show you guys all of the other Nerf Rival Accu series blasters as well, just to give you a quick little overview. I can't even remember the names. It's been a while. So we have this little guy, Pilot, I believe. Pilot. This is the Fate, actually. Fate. This is the Pathfinder, the Vision, and the Forerunner. Here, I'll show you how these all work. This one is similar to the Takedown, because you just reload it from the top here and pump it. Except it's a little bit bigger and holds 12 rounds instead of 8. Then I really like this blaster as well. It feels very sleek, very tactical. Great design, has these little rails as well. It has a magazine, which means it's a little bit easier to reload, especially if you have an extra one in your pocket or something like that. This one also shoots 12 rounds. Little adjustable sights just for show. This guy holds 8 rounds. You prime it from the back. And oh yeah, this blaster sucks. This one is super annoying. That's not good enough. You now have to push it forward. I don't know why they designed it like that. Super annoying. Oh wait. Uh-oh, we got a jam too. Noob alert, noob alert. Just the fact that you have to push it in. I don't know why, that bothers me enough. I think it's super stupid. And these last two each hold just one shot. This one you prime it back, put a round in from the top. Now, this is also super annoying because now you have to push this in. Another unnecessary step. And then this one, pull it back. This clips it forward. You put one in here and then you push it in. That just feels more satisfying. I don't know why, that's kind of cool. I like this guy better than this guy. All right, guys, I'm super happy that Nerf brought back some Nerf Rival Blasters this year and especially brought back 2 really cool ones. I think the Mirage and the Challenger are both great blasters. Both have their pros. They're both good in their own way. I like them both. If I had to pick one, I think the Challenger is my favorite because it's electronic and you can hold more rounds. It looks awesome as well, very cool. You could wreck in a Nerf war or Nerf battle with it. So awesome that Nerf Rival is back. If you guys want me to go over any other blasters, any other Rival Blasters, any other series or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe up here and watch this video down here. I think you will like it. It's great. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.